So, what's up mga ka-adventures? So, our video for today is how to replace main engine FIVA valve. So, this is applicable for all MA engines in ships. So, this is just a quick video, so I hope you can have some idea and an overview how to replace a main engine FIVA valve. So, let's go. Guys, that concludes our video for today on how to replace a main engine FIVA valve. So, in our company, we are going to land our old main engine FIVA valve in order for shore reconditioning. So, we don't have the instructions to overhaul this one, but we have the kit on board. So, our company preferred to landing this one for shore reconditioning. So thank you for watching, support my channel, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching guys, stay safe.